Hi, how you all doing? Welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Have a cooking channel. On this channel, all I do here is to cook and cook and cook. Don't mind me, I'm breaking out. So lovely. I'm taking you all to where I buy my African food stuff. Where I live is a little bit far away to where I'm going to right now. Let's go and do shopping, and you look forward to the next upload I'm going to upload. You're going to see my next recipe. We are cooking African food. I'm cooking up this African food. The ingredients I need for it is what I'm going now to go and buy. So come with me. Let's go. If today is your very first time on this channel, please remember to join us here. Press the subscribe button. Press your like button, follow Delicious Kitchen, and you'll be glad you did. We are friends there. We are just like family here, okay? So see you when I get there. I'm now at the Afro shop. Start from here. Look at Holy Boy. So when you see me cooking egusi soup, that's my egusi. And this is what they call a jauniyo. A jauniyo. Look at suya spice and ogbono. You need amala. That's amala. This is pounded yam. That is your gari. This is from Ghana. It's going to taste like Igbo curry. This lafu. Let me show you everything. This is amala. That is pounded yam. We call it pounded yam. And this one is lafu. Hoy. They have it different food products. That's me at African shop. I'm going to make fufu. Homemade fufu with this cassava I'm buying. You're going to see how I'm going to make my fufu. So lovely people, I'm going to take this. Do you know what this is? So I'm sitting here loving. I'm sitting here. At this place you can also get your attachments. I'm just trying to pick the small ones, so that's what I've picked. That is a shokoto crushed chilies. This is very good. I can believe it. Extra long corn rice. Carrot tilapia, too beautiful to be eaten, right? My noodles. This is another 2-minute noodles. I don't know this. Made from Maggi. This is the one I know. But this very one, seen it for the first time. What you call it?